Today, we are here to cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves and to explore the infinite well of serenity that resides within each one of us. Take a moment to find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit down or lie down, close your eyes, and let go of any tension in your body. Let's start by bringing our awareness to the present moment. Tune in to the sensation of your body against the surface you're resting on. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath in and slowly exhale. With each breath, let go a little more. Now, as we embark on this guided meditation, let's explore the qualities of perseverance and resilience that lie within you. Take a moment to reflect on a challenge or obstacle you faced in life, a moment that tested your perseverance and resilience. It could be a personal setback, a difficult project, or a trying period in your life. Acknowledge this challenge without judgment and bring it to the forefront of your mind. Consider the emotions that accompanied this challenge. Did you feel fear, doubt, or frustration? Allow these emotions to surface without resisting them. Emotions are a natural part of our human experience. Breathe into these feelings, accepting them as part of your journey. As you inhale, visualize yourself drawing in courage and strength. As you exhale, release any lingering negative emotions, allowing them to dissipate like clouds in the sky. Feel these qualities growing stronger within you, just like a flame burning brighter. They are your sources of inner power and resilience. Now set an intention for the future. What challenges do you anticipate facing? How will you use your inner strength to persevere and remain resilient in the face of adversity? Take a moment to envision yourself facing these challenges with confidence and determination. As we conclude this meditation, express gratitude for your inner strength and resilience. Know that you possess the ability to overcome obstacles and grow stronger through life's challenges. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. You are capable of great perseverance and resilience. Carry this inner strength with you in your daily life, knowing that it will guide you through any challenges that come your way.